How to get your Telegram profile link. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can get your Telegram profile link. So if you want to get your Telegram profile link, you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to launch your Telegram app on your mobile device. Once you have launched your Telegram app here, you have to tap on the menu icon which is represented by the three horizontal line in the top left corner of the screen. Once you are here, you have to just go for your my profile here. Once you are on your profile, if you don't have a username, you can set it off here. Just go for the edit here and you can see your username. So you have to just go back and navigate to your setting, and here you can see your username. So you have to write your username here. Once you have write your username, just tap on the right click, and after that you can copy your username here just like this. Just go and copy your username and you can see your username here just like this. So that's it. You have now your Telegram profile link ready to use. So this is the process how you can get your Telegram profile link. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.